Welcome back to our iMonitor tutorial video series. In this video, we are explaining engine and transmission settings. The following description is based on a tractor with TTV stepless transmission. Please note that this may vary depending on the transmission of your tractor. In the upper left section, you will see setting options that are specifically for the engine. Starting with limiting the engine speed drop to PTO mode. This value represents the maximum engine speed reduction before the TTV transmission reduced the ratio in PTO mode. Below this are the values of two engine speed memories. As an alternative to direct storage by long pressing the corresponding buttons on the multifunction armrest, you can also adjust these values directly in the iMonitor. In the upper right section, you can set the speeds of the cruise control. Two speeds each can be stored, for forward or for reverse travel. The values are changed in the same way as for the engine speed memories. As an alternative to direct storage by long pressing with the corresponding button on the MAXCOM joystick, you can also adjust them directly in the iMonitor. The various speed and engine speed settings can also be accessed and adjusted in the menu view. The lower right corner of the screen is the customizable area where you can view three individual tractor status fields. To make changes, simply tap the appropriate field and select the desired information from the list. Tractors with the TTV transmission offer you three different driving modes: automatic, PTO and manual. Automatic mode is considered the standard mode and is suitable for almost all tasks. When this is active, you set the speed and the engine transmission management adjusts engine speed and transmission ratio fully automatically. PTO mode is specially designed for work with the PTO. In this mode, the engine transmission management system keeps the engine speed constant and only adjusts transmission ratio. Manual mode is designed for work at speeds below 100 m/h. To switch between these modes, press the mode button on the armrest. Back to the setup area. Here can you select whatever the PTO mode activates fully automatically when PTO is switched on. This function is active when the button is highlighted in blue. The next two values represent the preset start speed and the respective driving mode. After each engine start or mode change, the tractor automatically sets this value. You can easily change the maximum driving speed by pushing the MAXCOM driving lever forward together with the activation button pressed. This concludes our explanation of the engine and transmission page. Discover also our other videos to learn useful tips and tricks about the iMonitor.